Okay, this is kind of a neat trick. I'm sure a bunch of you have done this before. It's not like some secret, but especially with tube ties, easy way to get them on. Some zip ties, wrap around, stuff your tube in there, obviously. Run up your valve stem with the red dot. That's also lightest part of the tyre, that's why you put it near the valve stem. Helps balance it more naturally. Get some big cable ties, cinch that down like that. What I like to do, silicone spray, make it slippery as a fucking slippery thing. Put a bit of silicone on there. And like I said, get the valve stem lined up. This doesn't always work. See? The good thing about doing it that way is you're not using tie levers and pinching the tube. And it's fucking on. The only problem is, it's hard to inflate with the cable ties on there. You fucking cut these off now. Stick your valve stem through. And now it's on, cut the cable tie, like I said. It's in the right position. No danger of pinching the tube. I'm sure a lot of you have done this before. Not exactly. And put some fresh air in. Popped on the bead. There we go. I think that looks lovely. Mold a couple of these on. Going to make some spaces up. That should be easy enough. We put the front wheel on. Then I'll move on. I'm going to true this one up a little bit, put a tire in that, shove it in the back.